Hi. Well, it's been a while since I've been talking to you, and I'm real excited because I am going to be offering a new class, and it's going to be an in-person painting workshop. And I've done a lot of research recently, and I've learned a lot about what are some of the things that we struggle with as artists, especially you as students. And I want to offer this workshop coming up, and it's going to be on a Friday night and a Saturday, the 21st and the 22nd of February. And we will start in the evening on Friday at 6 o'clock and go to 9, and then we will meet again on Saturday at 8 and go through 5:30. And we'll have a couple breaks in there, and we'll have a lunch that will be provided. And I want to keep the class small. I don't want to have too many people, so I'm going to limit the size, and once I reach that class size, I'll put you on a wait list, and when we do it again, you can do it with us. But I want to keep the class small and intimate so that I can give you each quality time. It's going to be really fun because I have this idea that we're going to make 2 paintings in this weekend, but they're going to be in limited size, and we're going to do a color study with them and do compositional things. And what I will have you do is bring 5 images that are on 8.5 by 11 sheets printed out, and they don't have to be perfect images, and we're going to work with those images and figure out which ones we're going to do and then transfer them and then we're going to start our painting. And I am so excited because we're going to learn so much together, and it's going to be such a fun time because we'll get to spend time together and we'll learn from one another. And I want to get your feedback as I'm preparing for this class, what it is you're struggling with right now. I want you to make comments below and ask questions or email me. Make sure to subscribe. I'm going to be sending out I created a playlist with all the materials in detail, introducing you to the materials we'll need. You can work in various media, and depending on whether you want to work on oil, acrylic, or pastel, or oil pastel, I have something for everyone that's in the materials section playlist. And so you can look at that, and you can find out what you'll need to bring to class. And some of you have been here before, and you know how it kind of works, but some of the things are going to be a little different. And so just take a look at those videos. And if you have any questions, as I said, leave comments below or email me, and I will be glad to answer your questions. I'm just so looking forward. This is going to be such fun. I can't wait to see you all.